Hi there, so in this video I'm going to explain to you how to write your gig titles.
This video is brought to you by Pi's Academy.
There are two main goals that you must achieve in each of your gig titles. The first one is it must really appeal to your buyers, right? It must really stand out and grab attention from all the other gigs, right? Because when people search for gigs, it's going to be listed in a list with all the other ones, and they must choose yours. So remember, from ADA, you've got to have that really good attention-grabbing headline, or at least as much as possible. So, and then of course your title must have SEO keywords, and we're going to cover SEO in some detail in this course. But essentially, if it doesn't have SEO keywords, what is it going to rank for, right? Because people won't search for that thing, and so your gig just won't come up. So you've got to have SEO keywords that people search for, and headlines that when your gig appears in a list, it stands out. And let me show you how I do this. This is my list of gigs, and I'm going to show you. So for example, let's go through them, right? So I have this gig. I will help you plan an SEO strategy, right? So it's not the most exciting headline, but it's clear, and also it has good SEO because it has the keyword SEO, it has the keyword strategy, and it has the keyword plan. Those are all things that people search for. Next thing. The next one is a very good example also of a keyword-rich title. It says mobile app book. You see all the keywords that are possible, and mobile. I should probably have mobile apps in there so that I have a variation of apps. I don't have that yet, but that would be a good thing. Next one, same thing. Not the most exciting headline, but it's clear. Provide affiliate marketing training course. Okay, so affiliate marketing training course are 4 keywords in there that people might search for. Those are things people need. Same thing here. Provide business coaching, right? So there's a little bit of the title that get cut off, but you understand. Here the keyword is fundraising, right? Here is a guide on how to promote and market local business. The word business got cut off. It only shows you 2 lines. But you understand, right? So Udemy here, I'm trying to rank for the word Udemy. Here the keyword is raise money. So what I did here is, because there is a big limit on how long the title should be, I focused on making the titles a little bit maybe clear rather than super exciting, and I focused on heavy SEO. Possibly I should have maybe focused on making my gigs more exciting sounding, but that's not what I currently did, although I think as I'm going through this, it's a good, smart thing to try for me. So maybe that's what I will do. In any case, now you understand sort of what to accomplish when you are writing your gig titles.